to today's Clean With Me video episode 2. Today we're going to clean the pantry. Last time when I cleaned the pantry was last year. So yesterday when I'm trying to bake and I see myself having a hard time finding where I keep the chocolate chips. Let me show you how my pantry looks now. This room is my pantry. On camera it still looks it's pretty organized, but I kind of don't know where things are. So my pantry is kind of narrow, so I can't really get in and get like a really good view here. So basically I keep like all my stock on the left side and all the not very frequently used equipment on the right side. Like all the pantry organization video, we're going to take everything out from the pantry first so I can have a better look.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Without giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
It's empty and then just very dirty, so I'm going to clean it a little bit. And I'm going to show you how much stuff there is.
I can show you what I'm supposed to feel like. I can show you what I'm supposed to be. I can show you what I'm supposed to feel.
Now I have taken everything out of the pantry. I'm already tired. I kind of don't want to do it anymore, but since I started, I have to finish it. On the left, I'm going to put all my food items, and then on the right hand side is going to be the cookwares. So on each side there are 4 layers and 5 if counting the floors. Like if we say floor level 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 are my nightmare layer because it's too tall. I just simply can't reach it. I'm still going to put the refills there. I'm going to put my white basket there and label them, organize them there. And then the heavy refills will be on the floor level, of course. And then level 3 is my eye level, so I want to make level 3 as pretty as possible. And then level 2 is my easiest access layer, and then for that, level 2s are gonna be my most frequently used items. Guess that's my plan now. So I'm going to start with the display area first.
I'm not the girl that I used to be. Sometimes I'm more than words. I'm beyond what I once was. I don't believe in love. Hey, hey. If I want something, I got it. Hey, hey. Oh baby, I don't need love me. Hey, hey. Cause your love I cannot buy it. Wasn't real with you, boy. Real, wasn't real with you, boy. You won't give me too much chances. I don't care, I'm fine, I'm fancy brighter. Yeah. Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, I'm telling goodbye, hey. Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, I'm telling goodbye. Chances I don't care, I'm fine, I'm fancy brighter. Yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, I'm telling goodbye, hey. Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, I'm telling goodbye. Follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. I'm not above it. Let me be myself. I'm not above it. Let me be myself. Myself.
done now. And even though I left a mess in the kitchen, but I'll clean it up later. But everything in the pantry is cleaned and organized. I'm really happy about it. Now let's go take a look.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Tear all the worries out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon.
If you like it, please hit that like, and if you're new, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Dancing on the moon.